Hello designers! The Magic Cube is one of the most versatile tools in Planner 5D. It allows you to create custom objects tailored to your interior by adjusting its dimensions, textures, and materials. Whether you need a unique divider, a statement ceiling, or an accent piece, the Magic Cube can do it all. In this video, I'll show you 5 ways to use the Magic Cube to enhance your interiors with some tips and tricks straight from Planner 5D's interior designers. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and make sure to check out our 7-day free trial where you'll have access to all of our amazing design tools. All right, let's get cubing. That was bad. I'm sorry. Want to create a small step up in a room? A podium is a great way to do that and will make the podium feel like it's in its own room, even though it's still part of the open floor plan. Start by adjusting the cube to fit the space you need, leaving a small gap at the front for a shorter step. Then duplicate the cube 1 or 2 more times depending on how many steps you want. Notice here how the designer cleverly attached the Magic Cube to the accent wall, making it look like it's all connected. I love an accent wall. In this example, you can play with different colors and textures, and notice how the designer used black on the sides of the cube to create that gap effect. If you want to give the wall a tiled look, just adjust the height of the panel to be shorter, and then fill in the space with a new panel, leaving a small gap between them. In this example, we'll show you how to make beams that are pitched. Start by adjusting the depth of the beam to be roughly half the size of the room. Raise the levitation, and then while clicking on the rotation button, press and hold Shift on your keyboard to adjust the angle of the beam. After that, you'll probably need to adjust the levitation 1 more time so that the end of the beam is right at the top of the wall. From there, you can make any adjustments to the beam that you need. The Planner 5D library has some great decorative options in the roof category that could be used as beams, but if you want something more straightforward, the Magic Cube is the way to go. Adding an accent to the ceiling is such a fun way to enhance your design. All you have to do is grab a Magic Cube, adjust it to the size you need, and raise the levitation. If you have an accent color on the wall, you can have the Magic Cube on the ceiling meet it for a seamless transition. Wall niches are a great way to add storage and design flair to your interiors. In this last example, you can use Magic Cubes in the shower to create shelving that is completely custom. Just as a tip, make sure to leave the shelf space with enough depth to be able to hold any of your shower care items or decor. And there you have it, 5 creative ways to use the Magic Cube in Planner 5D. What do you want to create with the Magic Cube? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and try out our 7-day pro trial. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.